My name is Troy Fallon. I'm with Radco Roofing. We're located in Charlotte, North Carolina. Radco Roofing has been an authorized Carlisle applicator since 1992, and in that time we've become a Hall of Fame roofer with over 250 Perfect 10 installs. The new Carlisle products we used were the 16-foot 60 mil TPO sheet. We also used the 4x12 insulation, and we also used 80 mil TPO with SeamShield. PFG is a Performance Food Group, which is a distributor of frozen foods. This was one of their freezer facilities. They had both dry storage, cold storage, and freezer. The owner was having air leakage and getting ice build up and had frozen insulation on the roof. On the dry storage area, we removed the existing TPO membrane, installed another layer of 2-inch ISO, and these were the 4x12 sheets. And then we installed rhino bond plates and then a 60 mil TPO. On the cooler area, we had to do a transition from the 6 inches of insulation to 8 inches of insulation. So we added another layer of 2-inch there. And at that transition, we had to do a tie-in with a vapor barrier. We followed the freezer detail and used the 725. We then installed 2-inch insulation in the 4x12 and 60 mil rhino bond system. This is a pretty open roof system, pretty big. It was 1,500 square feet of TPO roofing. Leveraging that 16-foot sheet saved us a lot of labor. We were able to roll out quite a bit of membrane in one day. It allowed us to increase our production and to get a lot of roof installed in a day and have it watertight. I think it's a fantastic looking roof. Our estimate between the 16-foot sheets and using the 4x12, based upon our estimate, we looked at about a 25% savings on labor. So we could see the immediate return as we closed out the job and looked at the numbers. One of the benefits to SeamShield, obviously, is the fact that we don't have to clean the membrane. It's particularly when you're doing a tear off or you got dust and debris blowing around on your roof. All the things that happen when we're roofing a roof that get those seams dirty. We didn't have to clean any of those seams. When you're doing 1,500 squares of roofing, there's a lot of seams. A clean seam saves us a lot of time. This was our first foray into the 4x12s, and by every measure, the labor as well as the crews installing it and their satisfaction with it, I think we'll be using those on more projects. We do a lot of large industrial projects where we have a lot of square footage and a lot of open area, and the 4x12 only makes more sense, as well as those 16-foot sheets. With the right equipment, and we have that equipment, it makes the installation go that much faster. My overall experience working with Carlisle has been an outstanding experience. From their innovative products like the 16-foot sheet that we're using on this and the 4x12 sheets of insulation has been outstanding. Our support, both from Carlisle Technical, from our local sales team, has always been outstanding. They help us get in front of the customer, show our customers how Carlisle can be added value to their facility, and then just the ease of install of their products and the innovation has made my experience with Carlisle outstanding.